Install AnyGo on your computer, launch it and click on Start to move on. Connect your iPhone and hit Next button. After successful connection, open Pokemon Go on your iPhone. AnyGo will show your current location by default. You can select the 2-spot or multi-spot route to fake steps. Just select the location you want to go on the map and click on Go to get started. You can customize the number of routes, the direction, and the speed. You can pause at any time during the move. You can also enter a fake location in the upper left corner to teleport to the corresponding location. Now, your location will be transferred to California.